If your objective is to successfully receive a greater amount of financial return, specifically more money than the initial capital you have carefully deposited into your designated broker or exchange trading account, then it is highly recommended that you remain engaged with TradingFinder throughout the entirety of this informative program, as we will be providing valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. This has made it so you don't have to pay certain amounts, meaning there have been some challenges and some tricks that have reduced costs for you, and in some cases, they've even lowered your expenses. For example, if you wanted to buy a prop account, the price would be reduced by 50 or 60% for you. That amount. But we've also brought you a lot of codes that by using them, you could receive bonuses and trade with more money than you actually have available. One of those is this code. How can we use it? What percentage is it? Let's find out together. Just click on this link and you'll be taken to the main page. And from there, you can log in and access your dashboard on PrimeXBT. Now, how do we log in? What if this option isn't there at all? You see this login option or this register option. If you don't have an account, or if you do, just choose one of these two options. You'll enter your user dashboard. In this section, you'll see that whenever you want to deposit or withdraw, you'll be taken to this page. Now, depending on what you choose and how much your minimum amount is, it may or may not allow it. And there are some other factors too, so some options might be different. But the point that we can say is common to all of them is that to open an account so that you can trade within this platform, you definitely need to complete your identity verification. That means after you finished your identity verification and filled out the forms one by one, then you can make your deposit and start your trades. Let's assume that the identity verification is complete. We click on this deposit option. For example, let's say I want to make my deposit using cryptocurrencies. It could be with Tether or anything else. Okay, I select it. Here I'm choosing Tether. After I've specified all the account details and everything, when I'm about to make the payment, pay close attention. All of this is conditional on you having completed your identity verification. At this point, do you just copy this for a moment? Just click here once. Does it copy or not? You click copy here, and then you come to this section and paste it. Then the discount will be automatically applied for you, and you can trade with 7% more of the amount you have. So let's say you're a trader who, for example, is going to deposit $100 into PrimeXBT. When you use this promo code, your $100 stays as it is, and on top of that, 7% gets added. So in our example, how much does that make? $107. But this promo code you're using comes with some specific conditions. Like what? Like the fact that this $7, this 7% that was added here? Well, there's a time limit for using it. I have to use it within 20 days. So what did I do, for example? Let's say I had an account, and now with the bonus, it became how much? $107. I have this $107. I'm trading with it. At the end of this 20-day period, let's say my total has become $210. That $7 gets deducted. That's $7. A percentage gets deducted, but the profit I made during that period stays as it is. So the original bonus amount will be removed from your account after 20 days and will be gone. But the profit you made during the bonus period is still yours. It remains. So it has this advantage. If we want to go back to ourselves, on our main page here, we've brought up the same points we discussed today for you. We've presented them again in a different way and tried to make the content complete. If you want to have more information about this platform, my suggestion is that you simply come here and click on this link so you can get comprehensive and complete information about the PrimeXBT platform. Right here, you can easily see what the accounts are, what the trading fees are like, what strengths it has in terms of support. Everything you need to fully understand this platform, we've provided for you on the site in this section. But also, just below, we've tried to include some details as well. Like what? For example, pay attention. For every deposit you make, this 7%, under the conditions I mentioned, and by applying this code, is available for you to use. You can make these trades on different markets, trade with your own account, and benefit from the profits. Now, compared to some other platforms, the variety is a bit less, and the leverage is a bit more limited, but still, it's not a bad option. We mentioned the withdrawal conditions. After 20 days, the principal is completely burned, but the profit remains, and you can still use that profit, as it's written here for you. If we scroll down, you'll see. Here, with two other very good and reputable platforms, we've made a comparison for your withdrawal. The Alvanac and Maxi platforms. So, friends, what's the difference between these? First, you need to see whether you're a trader who's already been trading on that platform, what we could call an existing trader, or if you're a new trader. So, someone who's just joined the platform might have some special conditions set for them. Where does this happen? For example, on Maxi, some conditions are for people who, say, have had an account for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or have just always had an account there. So, this distinction is really important. Is you need to see whether you even belong to the group that this bonus applies to or not. How much is your investment amount? For example, you might see somewhere saying, I'll give you a 100% bonus, or I'll give you a 200% bonus, but there's no mention of the minimum or maximum amount you need to transfer to your account. That's not possible. It can be a bit misleading. For example, in some places, the maximum bonus they give you is a 200% bonus, but the maximum amount is $300. So for people with a large investment, that might not be a significant amount at all. So make sure you pay close attention to this point in your calculations. Again, one very important point is the bonus expiration date, which I mentioned earlier. Now, using this code currently doesn't have a time limit, but once you use it, as we said, you only have 20 days to complete your trades, and after that, it expires. You definitely need to keep this point in mind in your own calculations, especially regarding this offer you're reading about. You really need to pay attention to this point. Once again, we've laid out all the steps for you, just like what you saw in the program. Today, we talked about all of this in detail in the program. You register, open an account, and verify your identity. You complete your own information. Then you use the discount and start your own trades. Overall, I hope that the program we presented to you today has been useful and that you've been able to benefit from it. If you have any questions, ambiguities, suggestions, criticisms, or anything else, you can write them here for us and our colleagues and share your thoughts. We will address them as quickly as possible and respond to you, friends. Until the next program, I leave you in the care of the Almighty. May God protect and watch over you.